To verify your Paxful wallet account, start by logging into your Paxful account and clicking on the Verification tab. Verification is an essential step to ensure the security and compliance of your account. First, you will need to provide basic information such as your full name, date of birth, and country of residence. Make sure the information you provide matches the one on your identification documents. Next, you will need to upload a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. The ID should be clear and legible, and it should not be expired. After uploading your ID, you will need to take a selfie holding the ID and a piece of paper with the current date written on it. This step is to verify that you are the owner of the ID and that it is not a stolen or fake document. Once you have completed these steps, Paxful will review your verification request. This process usually takes a few hours, but it may take longer in some cases. It is essential to note that Paxful has different levels of verification, and each level requires different information and documents. The basic verification level requires only an ID, while the advanced level requires additional documents such as proof of address and phone number. To avoid any issues during the verification process, make sure you provide accurate and up-to-date information, and that your documents are valid and clear. Also, ensure that your internet connection is stable and that you are using a compatible browser. In case your verification request is rejected, Paxful will provide you with the reason for the rejection, and you can try again after correcting the issue. Verifying your Paxful wallet account is a straightforward process that requires some basic information and documents. By following these steps, you can ensure that your account is secure and compliant with Paxful's terms of service.